Hello friends! In our last video, we had explained the basic types of adjectives. And in this video, we are here with the advanced type of adjectives and degrees of comparison. Let us start. Now, what were the advanced type of adjectives? They were demonstrative adjectives, interrogative adjectives, and possessive adjectives. Let us start with demonstrative adjectives. A demonstrative adjective is an adjective that is used to point out nouns. It answers the question, which one? They are this, that, these, those, and such. Some more information about these. This and that are used with singular nouns. These and those are used with plural nouns. This and these are used to point out nouns which are near. That and those are used to point out nouns that are far away. Next, interrogative adjectives. An interrogative adjective is an adjective which asks a question. Example, what, whose, and which. Let's try it in a sentence. What? What is going on here? The next one is possessive adjectives. A possessive adjective is an adjective that shows possession or belonging. So when someone owns something, we use possessive adjectives. Key, it answers the question whose. Example, his, her, our, and your. I hope you've understood. Now let's move to degrees of comparison. Look at these pictures. They are so cute teddy bears, right? The words big, bigger, and biggest describe the size of the teddy bear, or they describe the size of the nouns. They look the same, but they are not. Confused? Now we're gonna discuss about this difference and clear your confusion. Did you notice those letters ER and EST after big in the B and C picture? This is the difference. That's all. But what's this actually about? The letters ER and EST show the comparison of the sizes of the noun. How? Let's see. When you compare the A teddy bear with the B teddy bear, do you notice a difference? The B teddy bear is more in size and the A teddy bear is less in size. That is why we are using the letters ER with B teddy bear because it is more in size. So with the help of using the letters ER, we are able to compare two nouns. Clear? Now let's move to EST. By seeing the pictures, can you tell me that which teddy bear has very big size? Yes, C1. So as the C teddy bear has very big size of all the teddy bears, that is why we are using the letters EST. So EST is used to compare more than two nouns. In conclusion, ER comparison with two nouns, EST comparison with more than two nouns. Now how do we convert it? We just add these letters ER and EST according to their rule to the original adjective and it's done. For example, adding er to big makes it bigger and adding est to big makes it biggest. But one point to note that these degrees of comparison work only on adjective of quality. Now, what are the degrees of comparison? There are 3 degrees of comparison: positive, comparative, and superlative. Now, let us understand them all. First, positive. The positive degree of an adjective is used when no comparison is made. One key, this degree is used with one noun only. For example, he is a tall boy. So here you can see there's no comparison made between 2 nouns. And there is only one noun which is boy. And the adjective tall is describing boy. Next, comparative degree. The comparative degree of an adjective is used when we compare 2 nouns, neither more nor less than 2 nouns. The key is than word is used. In most of the cases, than word is used. For example, he is taller than Rohan. Did you notice than in this sentence? He is taller than Rohan. It's important to put than, the word than, between the adjective and the noun you are comparing with. I repeat, it's important to put than between the adjective and the noun you are comparing with. Next, superlative degree. The superlative degree of an adjective is used when we compare more than 2 nouns. Easy peasy. The key is the word most or the letters est are used. For example, Rohit is the tallest boy in our class. Here you can see the letters est are used after tall. Did you notice one more thing? In the positive degree, our adjective was tall. In the comparative degree, our adjective was taller. So we had added 2 letters E and R after tall. In superlative degree, it was tallest. We added est. See? Now, how to form comparative degree to superlative degree? There are some rules. The first rule is, in most of the cases, we add the letters ER to form comparative degree of the adjective and the letters EST to form the superlative degree of the adjective. Example, small, smaller and smallest. Second rule, if the adjective ends with E, then we just add R for comparative and ST for superlative degree. Next rule, if the adjective ends with Y, then we just add the letters IER for comparative and IEST for superlative degree. For small adjectives with single consonant at the end, we double the consonant and add ER and EST. For example, big. In this word, G is the single consonant at the end. That's why while writing bigger, we write it BIGGER. And while writing biggest, we write it like BIGGEST. Next rule. For some of them we just add more for comparative degree and most for superlative. For example, expensive, more expensive, most expensive. These were the rules which you need to follow accordingly. But is there something different? Yeah. Some adjectives actually don't follow these rules. You need to learn them. For example, good, better, best. Here the comparative form is better, the superlative form is best, and its original form was good. Good, better, best. Bad, worse, worst. Little, less, least. Many or much. More, most. You need to learn them by heart. I hope you've understood the advanced type of adjectives and degrees of comparison well. For more such interesting videos, do subscribe our channel and don't forget to like and share our video. Thank you.